Welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to format an SD card. Now unfortunately you're not going to be able to do that on a computer, so go ahead and grab your camera and your SD card and we'll get into it right now. Turn power onto your camera and go to the menu option. Once you're in the menu option, go through your folders until you find the option for formatting a card. So then once you do that, go ahead and click on that. Now, it's going to tell you when you format the card, all data will be lost. That's okay, that's what's supposed to happen. So go ahead and hit OK. And after that, your card should be formatted. So there you have it. That's how you format an SD card using your camera. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, have fun. Thanks for watching, and remember, before you format any SD card, make sure you have the files backed up.